Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to be the best rideshare drivers and make more money. Because why? We all love money. Nobody talks about it, but I do, because I mean, that's why we're all here, right? To make more money, live like kings, live cash only. I mean, well, maybe not everybody. I am starting to learn that, you know, credit cards are not the end of the world. So anyways, if you guys know me, I started driving for Uber and Lyft to pay off my credit cards as well as my car payment. Fortunately, now I don't have any credit card payments, no credit card debt, and no car debt. You know, I paid off my car. So that's why I drive. Let me know why you drive. Today's video, we're talking about something totally different though. Huge strike. I know I'm all over the place, but on this channel, but I try to keep it around money and, you know, rideshare and everything in the gig economy. But today's video, I'm talking about this huge strike that's going on in San Francisco, or that already goes. If you guys don't know what's going on, basically the California government is like trying to change the whole way that the gig economy functions in California, which a lot of drivers are like, yes, finally, you know, let's get some change going. Because a lot of drivers, including myself, I mean, I definitely would like to get paid more, you know. The rates definitely have been going down within the past couple of years, you know, not gonna lie. I still do think it's a great way to make extra money. And no, I'm not a full-time driver. No, I would never, I mean, I would say never, but I probably will never drive full-time. I do it for extra income. And yes, I still think it is great, but for people who do drive full-time, it would be really cool to get some benefits going, some health insurance, rights to unionize, you know. I'm just saying, just throwing that out there. But anyways, the government is stepping in and basically told the gig economy, that which includes Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, etc., these bigger companies, hey, your drivers cannot be independent contractors. Well, they didn't say that exactly, but basically the California State Assembly wrote a bill called AB 5, Assembly Bill 5, which would classify Uber and Lyft drivers as employees. And so Uber's like, nope, I don't want to do that. So now they're putting up $90 billion, Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash, and the drivers are striking. So I'm gonna go over that. But before I do, smash the thumbs up button, guys. If you drive for Uber or for Lyft, or if you like money, smash the thumbs up button. Somebody's walking outside my door. And subscribe so you never miss another video on my channel about rideshare. Yes, this is an educational channel now, so if you're not subscribed, then you're missing out on free education. You know, this is the internet. You don't need a college degree. All you need is YouTube and the Rideshare Hub. And soon, hopefully, my course will be coming out called the Rideshare Hub Academy, which, you know, then you can actually take a course. And, you know, I'll get into that later. But for now, here we go. Uber, Lyft proposed $21 an hour minimum wage for drivers in California, but there's a catch. What's the catch? Also, what do you think about that? $21 an hour. That was Uber's response to, Uber and Lyft's response to the government saying that you guys need to make your drivers employees. Uber and Lyft are like, well, what if we do $21 an hour? Do you think that's enough? So far, a lot of drivers have been saying, no, that's not enough, especially in California where it's so expensive to live. But let me know in the comments down below, is that enough? Here we go. San Francisco, Uber and Lyft have said they would support a $21 an hour minimum wage for drivers in California. But that would be a significant change for the two of the biggest, it's, I mean, right now, obviously, okay, here we go. The ride-hailing leaders helped pioneer a new labor model in which people can choose to work on their own schedules, with the companies pairing active drivers with consumers through smartphones and taking a cut of each ride. But both companies, in search of profit, drivers say Uber and Lyft have been taking a bigger portion of each ride's fee, leading to protests from drivers and action from politicians. Yeah, huge protests, guys. Massive strikes and protests going on. While we continue to advocate for this progressive framework, circumstances are forcing us to plan for legislative inaction, not action, but inaction, by laying the groundwork for this initiative. The company said in a statement emailed by spokesman Davis White. Similarly, Adrian Durbin, Lyft's director of policy communications, said in a statement that the company is pushing its first of its kind industry-wide sectoral bargaining. This is crazy, guys. This has never happened before, where Uber is like I mean, I guess in New York City, but this is even more serious in California. What do you guys think of all this? I kind of like how it is right now, where I can just sign off, sign on whenever. I don't want this whole minimum wage. You know, you gotta do, I probably will have to do like at least 20 hours a week or 40 hours a week. Imagine if you have to do, they say, all right, you have to do 40 hours a week during these times, and if you don't, you're fired. I would be like, bro, I'm not even gonna sign up. Or sign, yeah, because you probably have to apply for that, right? If you're an employee, do little group interview exercises and training and background, well, I guess they already do background checks, but interviews and all that stuff. You have a manager, imagine having a manager being like, hey Dylan, how's your week going so far? You know, how are the riders, how are the passengers? Ugh, I don't want to talk to a manager again. F that, bro. Yeah, there's just a lot of big strikes going on. Look at these guys. Lyft, Uber CEOs, $45 million a year. Me, not enough for healthcare. Well, yeah, dude, obviously you're not making the same amount as the CEO. The CEO, he runs the whole company. Why are you comparing yourself to him? Does he really think like his sign is helping? Yeah, no duh, he's gonna make money. It's not like anyone's forcing you to drive full time either. Like, this is a side hustle, side gig. Go get a job that does provide healthcare benefits. Uber, like they said, they don't provide it, so I don't see why you're expecting it. I don't know. So I'm just confused by some people. I currently like how it is. This is it. This is on the heels of a driver-led protest outside of San Francisco headquarters, where drivers showed their support for gig worker protections. So they want to be employees. These guys want to be employees. This is what your typical Uber driver employee looks like. Her, him. I don't support that protest. I want to stay an independent contractor. Yes, I would love for the rates to go up and for increased benefits, but I don't want to be an employee. I don't want to join a union. Do you guys want to pay union fees and all that stuff, go through all that hassle? I mean, yeah, this part is the good part. What Uber is actually proposing is not bad. $21 per hour while on a trip, paid time off, sick leave, and compensation if they are injured while driving. I want paid time off. Probably every 40 hours, you probably get like 1 or 2 hours of paid time off. And then after a couple of weeks, you get like a full day off paid. That's not bad. You know, that's not set in stone or anything, but that's what I think of when they say that. Look at this. If you guys want to do this, I already sent in my tape here, but you can go to this website and you can share your story on why you want to stay an independent contractor. Lyft similarly is circulating a petition urging people to demand legislatives to fix AB #5. They want to fix it. I don't have a Wi-Fi. I can't even afford Wi-Fi, guys. It's so expensive. Life is so expensive, right? Am I right? Hashtag am I right? Hashtag me too. I'm gonna leave the links though to that if you want to send in your tape to stay an independent contractor, or if you want to sign the petition that Lyft put out, or if you want to be an employee, vote yes on AB5. You know, I don't want to, like, I'm not trying to convince you. I'm just sharing my opinion, my thoughts. So Don't, you know, don't go, Dylan, why are you forcing us to do anything? No, I'm not. I'm just giving you my opinion. This is YouTube. This is a blog, a video blog. I'm sharing my thoughts, my opinion. But at the end of the day, I want you to make your own decision on vote for what do you want. Do you want to be an employee, join a union, have a minimum wage, like, you know, say like you're working at Taco Bell, you know, you sign up for your shift, you know, you go through your interview, get hired, you have a manager, sign up for your shifts. Or do you want to keep it how it has been so far, where, yeah, the pay is not amazing, like, you know, you're not, there's no set wage or anything, but you can sign on or off whenever you want. No bosses, no managers, no interviews, and no unions, no medical benefits. Or do you want the medical benefits? But again, you have to be an employee. So I want to hear your thoughts. I'm on the independent contractor side, but I'm not against you if you're on the employee side. You know, we all have our different reasonings. Reasons, not reasonings. But yeah, I really do want to hear your thoughts. So please comment down below. What do you want? Let's have an open discussion about it. If you tell me you want to be an employee, I'm not going to be mad at you. You know, this is how we progress in society, is have an open, meaningful discussion where we listen to each other. So if you want to share your thoughts, please do not comment, oh my gosh, screw you, blah, blah, blah. Like, if you guys are chatting in the comment section together, be positive, you know, share your thoughts and say, yes, hey, I understand what you say, but let me contest you on that point that you said. Bring up an alternative, you know, that way we can come to like something civil together. Just like yelling at each other does not work ever. And I have seen a lot of people do that in the comment section. I have seen some great people, you know, commenting, but when you guys are yelling at each other in the comment sections, calling each other names, do you really think that's a meaningful conversation where you guys are learning and growing from each other? No. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Again, leave the video a big fat thumbs up. Tap the thumbs up button. Do it with me on 1, 2, 3. Boom, tap the thumbs up button. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to be notified every single time I do post a video. And follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my personal Instagram down below if you guys want to follow me. I'll see you all next time. Have a good day, guys. All right.